Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at our online retailer warehouse worker personal injury claim checklist. We'll be going over some of the things we believe you should do if you've been involved in an online retailer warehouse worker personal injury incident. At Legal Expert, we're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we offer 100% no-win, no-fee claim service, which means that there's nothing to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. In order to find out if you can claim compensation, call our free phone helpline now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Once we get to the end of our checklist, let us know what you think in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, as we'll be uploading more content just like this on a regular basis. So, you've been involved in an online retailer warehouse worker personal injury incident and you wish to bring a claim for compensation, but you don't know what you need to do. Well, thankfully you're in the right place, as we're about to go through our checklist of steps we believe will be useful when bringing an online retailer warehouse worker personal injury claim. Without further ado, let's take a look. Step 1. Make sure you're safe after your online retailer warehouse worker personal injury incident. In the immediate aftermath of an accident, your priority should be to ensure your own safety. If you're injured, the last thing that you want to do is run the risk of being exposed to any further danger, which could make your current injuries even worse. We understand that you may find yourself in a situation where other individuals have been involved in the accident, and you may feel that the right thing to do is to assist them or seek assistance for them despite your own injuries. Whilst we can't advise on what the correct actions to take in any specific circumstances will be, if you do find yourself in this situation, the best way for you to ensure that you're in a position to help others will be by ensuring your own safety first. Step 2. Report the online retailer warehouse worker personal injury incident. When bringing a claim for compensation, it's important that you report the accident in the relevant way, whether that be to the police or by ensuring that an accident report form is completed. This differs depending on the circumstances of your accident. Step 3. Seek medical assistance following online retailer warehouse worker personal injury incident. Once your safety has been ensured and you've reported your accident, it's important that you have your injuries assessed by a medical professional. This will ensure that you'll receive appropriate medical care and treatment in order to assist your recovery. Step 4. Gather evidence. Now that you're hopefully on the road to recovery and in a position to start thinking about bringing a claim for compensation, in order to bring a successful claim, you must be able to show that the incident you were involved in was caused due to the negligence of others. So, make a note of exactly when the accident happened, whether there were any witnesses, if the incident was caught on CCTV, and any other details about the accident which you think may be important. Remember the accident report form and reports from your medical assessment that we mentioned in the previous steps. Those may also be used as evidence, so make a note of where and when those were completed. Step 5. Seek legal assistance. In our opinion, this is one of the most vital steps you can take, as you'll be seeking the help of someone who has the experience and knowledge of handling compensation claims just like yours. Now, in order to be able to bring a claim without the burden of worry in regards to things like upfront fees and covering the cost of legal services if you lose, we recommend that you enlist the services of a no-win, no-fee claims solicitor. Here at legalexpert.co.uk, we have experience in dealing with online retailer warehouse worker personal injury claims, and we offer 100% no-win, no-fee claims, which means that as long as you're honest in your account of the details of the accident, then there isn't any upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, there wouldn't be a penny to pay. We offer a completely free, zero obligation consultation where we'll aim to help clarify what your options are. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or use our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Our team may be able to discuss Personal Injury Claims Payouts UK, Personal Injury Compensation Guidelines UK, How to Make a Personal Injury Claim, Personal Injury Claims Calculator, Personal Injury Claims Process, If I Get Injured at Work, Do I Get Paid, Personal Injury Claims New Rules, and Accident at Work Employers' Responsibilities UK.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis, or you can head over to legalexpert.co.uk where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice on our live chat, and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.